Graham from Cows Caravan Club and Travels. We're at a very cool Glenburn Dairy site in Lowens, which is near Troon, and we're currently first trip of the year, and we've only been away since June because we had a house we were doing up to sell, and then my old Honda CRV, it gave up the ghost with the suspension, so we got the new Jaguar F Pace, which can tow 2,400 kilograms, a bit of a beast, so that's great for towing. 178 brake horsepower, 2 litre diesel engine, and we got a detachable tow bar, which is about 500 quid. Wee bit of a mishap with that because I told the chap that fitted it was a 7-pin, it was a 13-pin, so we had to get it rewired, so it was about 800 quid all in, but it's good. The car recognises it, so when you indicate, it flashes up a wee trailer. The traction control in the caravan works, so just giving the eldest Avanti 550 a good old clean. It's a 2016 model and it's done as well. Solar panels on the roof, it's got the fixed bed at the back, we'll see in our other videos, and we're here at Glenburn Dairy and we're the only person here, only caravan here, so it's a club site. I think they can take about 7 caravans up here. Then you get some power points over there, and then you get rallies down there. You get a lot of rallies throughout the year, which are really good. People just use their solar panels for the weekend or so. It's really cold. Get the usual suspects. Get Denny. And over here we'll get Max. So it's great for the dogs to walk about. Basic facilities, poo tank over there. You put your grey water over there, down a tube. There's just a kind of hut up there with a toilet and wash hand basin, but we're self-sufficient. Water's there, the bins are there, but it's good and handy. So yeah, I've been here a few times and we really enjoy it. It's good to get back out in the caravan after quite a break away. Down the road there, there's a bus stop as well, takes you into Troon. Get the old Loans Inn up there, something to eat. The shop's not too far away, but yeah, it's good here, as you can see. Nice weather, nice surroundings, but really cold, and it's £15 a night.